Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will show you a very simple way to make a hen like this. Absolutely no sew. It will make a perfect Easter decoration. You can make them in different sizes, mix colors, come up with your own designs and have lots of fun with that. You're going to need a rectangle of cloth. I've got one 40 by 20 centimeters. There's just one rule. One side should be twice as long as the other. And for the crest and the beak, we're going to use pieces of felt. Cut out a crest shape and a little triangle for the beak. And place them in this corner. Also cut a few stripes of different colors for the tail. And place them so that they overlap. Fold your piece of cloth in half and mark the bend line with the help of your nails. And this bend line is where we place our tail. Now let's glue on the details. Fix the tail parts together with a drop of glue. Now apply some glue half a centimeter away from the edge, right here. Cover it with the other half of the cloth and press quickly while the glue is still hot. This is what we get for now. Now let's glue the next side. Apply the glue again half a centimeter away from the edge. And press quickly. At every stage, try to wait for the glue to fully take grip. Turn the piece inside out. Now let's make the wing. I've decided to make it in 3 colors. You can use one color or do without it at all. Put the corners of the 3 sheets of felt together and cut half a circle. You can make one side of it a little bit longer. I make each next layer of the wing a little smaller than the previous one. Now I join all layers of the wing, applying the glue only on one side like this. Make sure that your wings mirror each other. Now let's glue them in place. Feel where the first wing is, and glue the other one symmetrically on the other side. Now open your piece like that. Our hen is starting to gain volume. That's what it looks like now, and there's just a few more steps to go. Tuck the open edge inside for about 1.5 centimeters. And fix the bend with the help of your nails. Now let's stuff the toy. You can use just hollow fiber like I do, or you can also add a little bag of grain to make it heavier. And before we close the bottom, let's make some chicken legs. I've decided to use some rope for that. I've got one in a cool sunny color. You can also use a satin ribbon, a shoelace, or a stripe of knitted fabric, anything you'll find at hand. Treat the edges with fire and tie the knots at the ends. apply some glue and fix the legs in the middle of your chick's bottom. Now we just have to glue together the bottom edges. Apply the glue half a centimeter away from the edge and press quickly. All the same could also be done on the sewing machine. Just one more little drop of glue to make sure. And the chick is ready. Now you've got a lovely spring mood toy, and it was so fast and easy to make, wasn't it? I'm going to use mine for Easter decor, and my little chickens have their wings made of cloth. I will leave you a link to the fabrics I used in this project in the description below. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my other videos.